Hello everyone, it is Rishaya Reese, your locked lioness here, and I just wanted to do a quick video because I am headed out to get some drinks for one of my friends' birthdays. We're just going out to a bar, pretty casual, but I just wanted to show you just the kind of look that I do when going out. I keep it pretty low maintenance on my hair because I don't want to stress it out, and since I do have baby locks, I just want to keep it really easy, let them grow in nice and easy. So basically I just sprayed down my hair with a little bit of rose water and jojoba oil because in Melbourne right now it's super hot. It's like 107 degrees last time I checked, or if you're doing it in Celsius, it's over 40 degrees. So it's very, very hot here. So I did go ahead and spritz down my hair with that rose water and jojoba oil just to give it a little bit of hydration before I go out into that very hot sun. And then after that, I just shook it out a little bit and then put a couple of bobby pins right there just to kind of have the cute side bang going. So that is what I'm working with now, feeling very cute. I also did my makeup, which usually I don't put on as much makeup, but since it is a special occasion for my friend's birthday, I thought I would spice it up a little bit. So yeah, here's my look. Hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for tuning in. Definitely subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned for more. This has been Rishaya Reese, your locked lioness. Talk to you soon.